Pos Malaysia is a 200-year-old company. We moved from parcel delivery systems to cargos and other business verticals as well. When doing this, we've actually built up a list of legacy applications, right? And as part of those legacy applications, we have a lot of monolithic applications as well, and heavily dependent on our on-prem infrastructure. So one of the biggest problem statements that comes from that is agility towards our business goals. We lack in that. Secondly, one of the major problems that we face right now is that we sit on a data which is very valuable, but we have not really optimized it to a way where we can actually use it to make business decisions. So that's the second challenge that we have, where we want to optimize our data to make our business data-driven.
The very first thing on the agility part of it, right? So Pos Malaysia is trying to culturally transform or want to reinvent their organization. So what was priority for them is how do they go to the market faster, how they can enable the business to go to the market faster. First thing what we devised out is to move them in a lift and shift migration, and so that they don't have any problem on the procurement, so they can go to the market faster. That's one of the challenges they had. On the data side of it, so they have multiple businesses. They are into parcel, retail, mail. They aggregate so much of data. So with the constraints what they had in the on-premises, they were not able to scale the data. So we wanted to help them to build a data strategy on cloud.
That was one of our primary objectives. Other objective that we wanted to bring into picture was a more agile way of going live in terms like getting our business ready, getting our infrastructure ready, getting more automation in line so that we can actually transform our model into such that we can go live to the market a little more faster.
So we worked with AWS professional services team. We brought in experts from the ProServe while we were trying to create the data strategy for Pos Malaysia. From a services point of view, we have used AWS SageMaker, Glue, and S3, right, to help them to build the machine learning models.
So success is a journey ahead for us, but definitely there are some goals that we have in place in order to measure that. So we want to become business agile as part of our success model, and we want to be able to do deployments on a daily or a weekly basis, depending on the application and the business criticalities. So we want to be able to have the control completely in our hands on how and when we deploy and go to the market with the help of the AWS service.